Today, I'm going to give you an honest review on Oanda Broker. So, Oanda is one of the most well-known Forex and CFD brokers, offering competitive pricing, advanced trading tools, and a user-friendly experience. But is it the right broker for you in 2025? In this review, we'll go over its key features, trading platforms, fees, and pros and cons to help you decide. So, key features of Oanda include regulated and trusted brokerage. So, they are licensed in multiple countries including the US, UK, and Canada. Another key feature is tight spreads and competitive pricing. They offer low spreads with no minimum deposit requirements. Now, another key feature is multiple trading platforms. So, they support the MetaTrader 4, that is MT4, TradingView, and Oanda's proprietary platform. Now, another key feature is advanced trading tools. So you have the access to technical analysis, API trading, and automation options with the Oanda advanced trading tools. Another key feature is demo account available. So they allow new traders to practice risk-free, and they also have fast order execution, that is minimum slippage, making it great for day traders. Now, the trading platform and execution. So Oanda offers three main trading platforms. Oanda web and mobile platform that is intuitive and beginner friendly with integrated charting tools. Meta4 Trader, that is MT4, that is ideal for technical traders who rely on custom indicators and automated trading. Now, third is Trading Views integration. So they also have the advanced charting capabilities for pro traders. Now, execution speeds are fast and Oanda offers both market and limit order executions with minimal delays. Now talking about the fees and spreads, so they have variable spreads starting from 0.1 pips for major forex pairs. No commission on standard accounts and commission-based pricings available for pro traders. Now, deposit and withdrawal fees is free for most methods, but some international withdrawals may have fees. Now, overnight fees is competitive but can vary depending on market conditions. Now, pros and cons of Oandas include: pros are regulated and secure, no minimal deposits, multiple platform and trading tools, and fast execution and low spreads. The cons include limited asset selection, lacks MetaTrader 5, that is MT5, and customer support can be a little bit slow. Now, the final verdict on Oanda. Is Oanda worth it in 2025? So, Oanda remains the top choice for Forex and CFD traders, especially for those looking for tight spreads, fast execution, and reliable regulation. However, it may not be ideal for those wanting a broader range of assets like stocks or cryptocurrencies. So the overall rating is 8.5 out of 10. Great for Forex traders but not ideal for stock or crypto investors. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.